Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Hangry. I'm Gen Sato, and today I'm going to show you a quick and delicious recipe for grilled broccoli. So first things first, we just got to prep our broccoli to go onto the grill. For this recipe, you really want to make sure you get long stem broccoli. Start by trimming off the ends of the broccoli. Then using a paring knife, trim off the woody exterior of the broccoli stem. Continue until only the tender inner core of the broccoli is exposed. Then split the heads of the broccoli into quarters by cutting just below the florets and pulling them apart. Once you've got all your broccoli cut up, spread them out on a baking sheet. Drizzle the broccoli with the neutral oil. I'm using vegetable oil here, but you can use whatever you want. Make sure you put more in the florets so that the oil gets soaked in. Then you want to hit it with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Give the broccoli a nice toss to make sure that it gets coated with all the oil and seasoning. Alright, now that we've got our broccoli ready to go, next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a little dressing to base onto the broccoli as we're cooking it, just to give it that little extra pop of flavor. It's going to be really good. Start by adding some finely chopped shallots. Then add some finely chopped fresh thyme. Bonus points if you get it freshly picked from your garden. Finally mince some garlic. Then grind it into a paste by pushing the garlic into the cutting board using the side of your knife. Add lime zest, lime juice, soy sauce, and some neutral oil. Stir it all together, and then you're ready to get grilling. Alright guys, so we have our grill nice and hot. You want to make sure you have your children's toys and your lawnmowers in the background, and we're ready to go. First, you're going to place the broccoli onto the hottest part of your grill. Then you want to baste the broccoli with the dressing. You want to continually turn and rotate the broccoli so that it cooks evenly. We do want a little bit of char on the outside, but not too much, just enough to give it a nice smoky flavor. Make sure you keep basting the broccoli as it's cooking. That's really going to glaze the broccoli with the dressing and infuse it with all that flavor. You can tell when the broccoli is done when it's tender, nicely charred, and you've finished up all of your basting liquid. And that's how you make grilled broccoli. Nothing left to do but just try this bad boy. You get the char on the outside of the broccoli, the citrus and the garlic and the shallot from the dressing. That's really good. Alright guys, I've been Gen Sato. Thanks for tuning into Hangry. See you next time. Bye.